Hello viewers, welcome back. This is me cleaning up the aftermath of my living room. Clean and decorate with me. If you missed that video, I'm gonna leave it link pinned in the comment section. You can go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this very motivating clean with me. Now let's tackle our messes together. If you are new here, my name is Terisha and I'm still the mom of two beautiful girls. On this channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation. I upload twice a week on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I also upload shop with me videos. So if this is of interest to you and you want to see tons of homemaking motivation, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Okay, lovies, this is the end of the video. I hope you found it very motivated and inspiring. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.